Okay, it's in the morning. Charlie usually doesn't get to go outside this early. But since we have Caymus, how long it's going to take Caymus to come? Not too bad. Hi, Noose, you're coming? And you're going the other way than everybody. So yesterday's video, which might not be published yesterday, but nonetheless, my back patio had snow all over it. And last night, not last night, but yesterday afternoon, to get Charlie off of that pillar, I shoveled to the pillar so that he would jump down. And of course, he jumped down and was fine. What do you think, Noose? What do you think? This is kind of weird, huh? Yesterday, Charlie had a crazy attack and ran to the back of the yard and then meowed that he was back there. What do you think, Noose? There's a loud birdie. Actually, I shouldn't look. It's kind of hard to get them all. Kissing cousins, kissing cousins. Hey, 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 hey! What was that? Bub, I think you should just go for it. It is so bright out here, I can't even keep my eyes open very well. Mr. Caymus went back in. I think he'll come back out though. I definitely have two outside monsters. Caymus and Murphy are not that interested in the outside as these two monsters. Bub, why don't you leave Caymus alone? Hey! You! Focus on you! Hey! Thank you. Thank you.